Okay, this is my first time using this Accsoon follow focus. All I did was, once they were both powered up, they each have a pair button, and I pressed the pair button at the same time, and then they paired up. And then I hit this calibrate button. I had to hold it for a second, and then now, when I did that, this automatically calibrated the lens. Calibration means it finds the endpoints, the focus endpoints of this lens, and then now it knows the endpoints, and it worked very fast. You can see how fast it responds. This is awesome. I only wish there was more dampening of this focus knob here. I wish there was more dampening. And I also wish that instead of just a percentage, I can see the measurements, which I don't know how they can do that. And I miss the ring. There used to be this white ring where you could put focus marks. I don't know why they don't have that. Maybe there's a new system, a new way of trying to pull focus. But this works for myself because I'm running and gunning. I don't have a focus puller. So it makes it just easier. I like this.